Guys, I'm really excited to introduce you to the ultimate solution for pain and relief and relaxation. And it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the far infrared heating pad from UTK technology. Now, if you don't know UTK, well, they make a ton of different heat pad devices and light therapy products for all parts of your body. Now, before we get into it, UTK sent me this heat pad to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. Now, I already unboxed this to test it, and boy, it's getting nice and warm. But in the box, guys, you've got some instructions. You've got this remote control, you've got a power adapter, and of course the heat pad itself. Now, this incredible heat belt is designed with a built-in carbon fiber design, ensuring that infrared rays penetrate deep into the skin, providing relief from muscle soreness, and you know what? That helps to lower your lumbar pressure. But what sets the UTK heating pad apart is the addition of 20 natural jade and tourmaline heating stones covering the waist, abdomen or back completely. You can see this pad is pretty significantly covering me. These stones release negative ions during heating, boosting cell activity and helping to improve metabolic capacity. And here's the best part, guys. You can customize your experience with a smart temperature time controller. This is adjustable between 40 degrees and 70 degrees Celsius, and if you're in old money, that's 103 degrees to 159 degrees Fahrenheit. And you know what, guys, you've also got a memory function here that makes operation a breeze. And you have the ultimate in pain relief and relaxation, whether it's backache, cramps, or you just want some deep relaxation. This is for you. And don't worry guys, this is all CE certified, it's got low EMF, and you know what guys, the UTK heating pad is suitable for all body types and can be easily taken anywhere, making it perfect for home use, office use or whatever. And guys, with a generous 3-year warranty and a commitment to customer satisfaction, the UTK far infrared heating pad is the perfect gift for anyone seeking effective pain relief and relaxation. And at a price of only $89.99 of the good old British pounds, it's less than the cost of 2 massages or therapy treatments. I guess the only thing that I would like to have seen is a cordless version, as although the power lead is pretty long, in this day and age we are used to a lot of portability without the need to be tethered, but certainly not a deal breaker. So guys, there you have it. This vibrating heat pad from UTK is definitely worthy of a place in your home. I'll leave any product links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to UTK for sending me this very useful device to review.
Okay, so normally I would be signing off, and yes, this is a change of clothing, but I do feel that I owe you all my honest review and opinion, as I always say. Therefore, while I did like this product, and it did perform very well, but literally after making the video, the heat pad went faulty, an intermittent connection on the wiring, and it stopped working. I reached out to UTK, who say they have great support and a 3-year warranty, etc. However, they weren't very helpful and have since ignored all of my correspondence. So with that in mind, I cannot recommend this product due to what could be a dangerous issue with wiring and also their lack of support. But I am Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.